Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Instructor Allison, and in this math video tutorial we want to solve this initial problem, or some cases you can call it exponential function because it has to do with exponent, and then we have equal sign, so that's why we call it initial equation, the aspect of indices that involves equal sign. All right, so we have two rules that is associated with problems like this. And one of the rules is that when you have common base and maybe different powers like this, so what we need to do is to cancel the bases, and say therefore x is equal to b. This works when you have similar bases. What if the powers are the same and the basis differs? Like cases like x to the power of a equal to, say, b to the power of a. In this case, you notice that the bases are different and the powers are the same. So in this case, you can say equates the base. And when you're equating the base, you're saying x is equal to b because you're definitely going to cancel the power. So that is the rule we're going to apply. In this case, we notice that either of the power or the base are not the same. So what do we do at this point? So we need to simplify it. So we have 7 to the power of k equal to this 49. We can reduce it in a way that it will have the same base with this 7. So of course, when we have 7 to the third power, or second power rather, 7 squared, that will be 49. So at this point, you notice that the bases are the same and the powers differ. So what we need to do is to equate the power by cancelling the base. And when we do that, we notice that our k is equal to 2. So that's the result for k. And if you want to check for extraneosity, checking if this answer is correct exactly, what you need to do is to plug the value of this k wherever you see k in the original equation. And if you do that, you notice that the left hand side will definitely going to be equal to the right hand side. Of course, you know that 7 squared is 49 because I substituted this 2 wherever I see this k, and I see that the result gives also 49. That means this problem is correct. I hope you found this video helpful. Please make sure to like this video, hit the subscribe button, share this video, and make sure you comment if you found this video helpful. I'll see you in the next video.